Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural hair growth remedy. Well, this hair growth remedy is just going to help you to stimulate your scalp and then growing a very healthy and long hair, and you are going to be loving your results. And also you have to be consistent in applying this on your hair, and you have to give it time to work, and it's going to be really great on your hair. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my hair growth remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. And okay, so drop your questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my description box and also at my comment section. Follow me on Instagram. Guys, without wasting any more time, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient in growing a long and thick hair is onion. Alright, onion is a great source of energy and strength in increasing the length and thickness of the hair. It helps to stimulate the hair scalp, therefore regrowing a new and healthy hair. It removes dandruff, it prevents split ends, and it also controls hair breakage. Okay, so using onion juice on your hair would effectively grow a long and healthy black hair. Alright, so the next ingredients we're going to be needing is going to be garlic. Alright, so here I have some tiny cloves of garlic. Garlic is another great source of hair strength. It helps to grow the hair. Using garlic on the hair would help you so much in regrowing a new healthy hair, and it also prevents dandruff, and it's great for the scalp. It keeps the scalp clean and healthy, and it is also great in preventing split ends. The next ingredients we're going to be needing for this hair remedy is apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar is one source of hair growth, and it controls dandruff a whole lot. It helps to increase and protect the hair, and it also increases the length of the hair. Okay, using apple cider vinegar alongside with onion would increase your hair length and volume. And the last ingredients will be vitamin E capsule. Now, if you have vitamin E oil or olive oil or coconut oil, you can actually use that. Okay, we have three options for this. Vitamin E capsule is a source of strength for the hair. It helps the scalp oily and healthy, and it also helps in increasing and growing a longer and healthy hair. Okay, mixing vitamin E capsule alongside with onion and apple cider vinegar plus garlic would help your hair grow long. Alright, so firstly we're going to prepare the onion, and how we're going to do that is that we're just going to peel the dry back or peel of this onion. Okay, so we're just going to be doing. Okay, so we now have a fresh onion here. We would also be peeling the garlic, although it can be very difficult peeling garlic, okay, because they are tiny. Alright, so we're just going to make sure to remove all of the peels. Alright, so we're going to first of all grate the onion, and I'm going to be doing that in a circular motion so I can get the onion coming out looking very smooth. Okay, so I think grating it is not going to be ideal, so I'm just going to be blending it. So I'm going to turn into a blender Okay, now I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, to blend it really well. I'm going to be putting a little bit of water, and this is okay. So I'm going to go blend it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done blending all of this together. Okay, so now we're going to be straining it. Okay, so I'm going to be straining it with my little tiny strainer. Okay, so you have to be careful so the shaft does not go inside, because you can't, you know, stand the drama of washing that off your hair. Okay, for this you're going to be putting in 2 capsules of vitamin E, and I'm going to be pressing that in. Okay, and also this one. Oops, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing that into. So anytime you want to apply this on your hair, you have to give it a shake. Like, I'm going to be turning this treatment into a container like this. Okay, I hope it does not pour. Yeah. Yes, that is great. And then anytime you want to use it, you have to shake it. Okay, it's gonna mix really great. You would open it and then you spray it onto your hair just like this. Why is it not coming out? Okay, that is it. Okay, like that. You spray it onto your hair like this. Okay, it is easier to spray it this way. Now when you're done spraying, you have to put your hands and then you know, massage into your hair just like that. Okay, you massage into your hair really well. Okay, and then you put more. You have to always shake it before you pour. Okay, you pour more of that just like that. Okay, and this is just going to serve you for a longer while. Okay, so when you've poured it like that, you're going to leave it there and open it, let fresh air get into it, and then you're going to wash it off. Okay, it's not going to be smelling really bad. You can add up something that will make it not smell really bad, like perfume and stuff. You shake it, okay, and you're good to go. So you can actually store this for 1 week and then you use it. Okay, and it's just gonna be great. Now if you are a guy, you can actually use this every day if you want to wash your hair. But if you're a lady, anytime you want to wash your hair, you should spray this into your hair and then hold it for some time, then you go wash it off. Your hair will grow like magic. Alright, so you have to be consistent in applying this treatment that I just finished showing you, and then you have to be patient, and you have to, you know, apply it from your scalp down to your hair, and it's just going to help your hair grow. Like, seriously, it's going to stimulate your hair scalp and you are going to be loving it because it's going to stop hair breakage and split ends. Alright, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, drop your questions on my website, and I'll come your way again tomorrow. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.